Welcome to our seed libraries here in Greenlee County. We have two of them. There's one here in Clifton where we are right now. There's another in Duncan, both in the public libraries. How this works is that we have the old card catalogs, and as you can see, it's spring and we're beginning to stock the seed libraries. So this one is peppers. Here you'll see Big Jim, CVFM, maybe some varieties you haven't heard of, because a lot of people are saving old heirlooms and that sort of thing. And there will be information available of what the varieties are if you're unfamiliar. You'll find useful information here, a seed starting guide, germination temperatures and all that, and some links, that sort of thing. Each of our libraries has a box for returning donated seeds. When you check the seeds out, they're all open pollinated or heirloom varieties that you can save seed from, provided that you're sure of the pollination. So you can bring seeds in when you select your seeds, and we only allow 2 packs of any individual variety. You'll go to the library desk and there will be a book there where you will sign your seeds out. So that's pretty much the process. We encourage return of seeds during the summer. Keep your eyes open. There will be some programs in the library, particularly regarding things like seed saving. So that's the process. Select your seeds, check them out, bring some back if you can.